Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to stop contact suggestions on TikTok. If you don't want TikTok recommending your account to people in your contacts or using your contacts to suggest other accounts, this is the setting you need to change. First, open the TikTok app and go to your profile in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the three-line menu in the top right corner. Then go to Settings and Privacy. Scroll down to Preferences and tap Contacts and Location. At the top of the page, under Suggest Your Account to Others, turn off the Contacts toggle. This prevents TikTok from suggesting your account to people in your phone contacts. For even more privacy, you can also disable Facebook friends and people who open or send links to you if you don't want your account recommended through those methods either. Next, you can scroll down a bit and go to Sync Contacts and Facebook Friends and turn off sync contacts so TikTok no longer uploads your phone contacts. If you've synced your contacts before, you can tap Remove Previously Synced Contacts, then confirm the action. So this removes the contacts you've already shared with TikTok. You can also scroll down and turn off Sync Facebook Friends, then turn off Remove Previously Synced Facebook Friends. And that's all there is to it. So TikTok will stop using your contacts for account suggestions, giving you more control over your privacy. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.